Imagine this. You roll out of bed, grab your phone, and bam, you're $500 richer, all while you were catching those Z's. No soul-crushing 9 to 5, no boss breathing down your neck, just pure AI power working its magic 24/7. This is the future we're living in, people. And today, I'm gonna walk you through 5 insane AI side hustles that anyone can start, no matter your experience level. We're talking about raking in hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single day. Stick around till the end, and I'll drop a secret AI strategy that'll blow your mind, something most people have no clue about. This is your chance to crank your earnings up to the next level. You don't want to miss this. Let's do this thing. Do this. Alright guys, first up on our list of AI moneymakers is something I'm really hyped about. Selling digital products that AI practically creates for you. This is the ultimate way to make passive income. Money that rolls in while you sleep, chill with your friends, or finally conquer that video game you've been stuck on. Think about it. People are snatching up ebooks, social media templates, AI art, and Notion templates like crazy every single day. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech genius or design guru to create this stuff. AI does the heavy lifting for you. Here's how ridiculously easy it is. Step 1, you've got ChatGPT, your new best friend, ready to churn out an awesome ebook, a killer guide, or even scroll-stopping social media captions. Step 2, jump over to Canva AI and let it work its magic, designing high-quality templates or mind-blowing AI-generated art. Seriously, the stuff it comes up with will blow you away. And finally, step 3, the fun part, selling your digital masterpiece. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify are your new stomping grounds. Upload your product, set your price, and watch the sales roll in. People are building entire businesses around a single AI-created product and raking in thousands of dollars every month. Once you set it up, it's like having a money tree that just keeps on giving. So what are you waiting for? Let's get this bread. Alright guys, get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to unlock the secrets of faceless YouTube automation. This is next level stuff, people. What if I told you that you could run a wildly successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face or recording a single word? Yeah, you heard that right. No more camera shyness, no more awkward intros, just pure profit rolling in. This is the power of AI, baby. Here's the breakdown. Step 1, we've got ChatGPT back in the house. This time writing engaging, entertaining video scripts that'll keep your viewers hooked. Step 2, we're bringing in the big guns. AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs or Murph AI. These bad boys will transform your ChatGPT scripts into professional-sounding voiceovers that sound like a real human being. Step 3, we're heading over to InVideo or Pictory AI, where you can generate stunning stock footage and edit your videos to perfection. These AI-powered tools make video editing a breeze, even if you've never touched editing software before. And finally, step 4, the moment of truth, uploading your masterpiece to YouTube. Hit that upload button and watch the views and the money start pouring in. You can monetize your channel with ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. The possibilities are endless. Some of the biggest AI-powered YouTube channels are making serious bang. We're talking $10,000 or more per month just by automating their content. So what are you waiting for? Let's get this channel off the ground. Alright, artists and creative minds, this one's for you. We're diving into the world of AI-generated art and print on demand, where your imagination is the only limit to how much money you can make. Forget spending hours hunched over a canvas or battling with design software. AI is here to unleash your inner artist. Platforms like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and DALL-E are like having a personal art studio at your fingertips. These AI powerhouses can generate stunning, high-quality artwork in seconds, from mind-bending abstract pieces to photorealistic landscapes and everything in between. Here's how to turn your AI art into cold, hard cash. Step 1. Fire up Midjourney or Leonardo AI and let your creativity run wild. Input your ideas, experiment with different styles, and watch in amazement as the AI generates unique, eye-catching artwork right before your eyes. Step 2. It's time to turn your digital masterpieces into physical products that people can hold in their hands. Head over to print-on-demand platforms like Printify, Redbubble, or Etsy and upload your designs. Sit back, relax, and let the money roll in. These platforms handle everything from printing to shipping, so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing art. With every sale, you earn a commission, building a passive income stream that grows with each stunning design. A single viral design can generate hundreds, even thousands of dollars in sales per month. So, if you've got a creative spark and a desire to make money doing what you love, AI art and print on demand is the perfect side hustle for you. Alright, all you freelancers and digital nomads, this one's for you. The freelancing game has changed and AI is the ultimate cheat code. Forget about endless bidding wars and racing against the clock to meet deadlines. With AI by your side, you can become a supercharged freelancer, commanding higher rates and working smarter, not harder. The truth is, freelancing is no longer just about skills. It's about knowing which AI tools to use to skyrocket your productivity and deliver exceptional results. And trust me, clients are willing to pay top dollar for speed, quality, and efficiency. So how do you become an AI-powered freelancing superstar? It's easier than you think. First up, offer AI-generated blog writing services using ChatGPT or Jasper. These AI writing assistants can churn out high-quality SEO-optimized content in minutes, freeing up your time to focus on other tasks. Next, tap into the power of AI-generated logos with Looka or Canva AI. These tools can create professional, unique logos in a flash, allowing you to offer branding services to clients without needing years of design experience. And if video editing is your jam, AI-powered tools like Runway ML or Pictory can help you edit videos faster and more efficiently than ever before. The best part? Clients don't need to know your secret weapon. Deliver exceptional results, meet deadlines ahead of schedule, and watch as your freelance business explodes with high-paying clients. So, if you're ready to ditch the grind and step into the future of freelancing, embrace the power of AI and watch your income soar. Alright guys, you've made it to the end, and I'm about to drop the ultimate AI money hack. The secret sauce that separates the AI rookies from the AI moguls. This is how people are building fully automated online businesses that generate passive income around the clock. Are you ready for this? Here it is. The real money comes from combining multiple AI tools together to create a seamless automated content machine. Think of it like building the ultimate money-making robot, with each AI tool working in perfect harmony to generate income while you sleep. Here's a simple example. Start by using ChatGPT to generate engaging, informative blog posts on a topic you're passionate about. Then, take those blog posts and transform them into captivating YouTube videos using AI-generated voiceovers from ElevenLabs or Murf AI. Next, head over to Midjourney and create eye-catching thumbnail images that will stop scrollers in their tracks. Finally, upload your videos to YouTube, optimize them for search, and monetize them with ads, affiliate links, and even your own digital products. Boom! You've just created a fully automated content machine that works tirelessly 24/7, attracting viewers, generating leads, and making you money while you focus on other things. The possibilities are truly endless when you start combining the power of different AI tools. So what are you waiting for? Start experimenting, get creative, and build your own AI-powered income stream today. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible AI side hustles that have the power to transform your life, and one secret hack to multiply your earnings exponentially. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI side hustle are you most fired up to try? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a solid and smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss another mind-blowing AI strategy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.